Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to cash out on Cash App and actually transfer your funds directly to your bank account, guys. It's really easy and simple. So let's get started, okay? First things first, guys, what you want to be doing is you want to first go ahead and open up your Cash App, okay? You'll see this familiar green icon on your home screen, so just tap on that to launch it and make sure you actually signed into your account. Next thing, guys, what you want to do once you're logged in, you want to look at your home screen with your balance, okay? Look at your balance. Your balance is displayed as a dollar amount on the main screen, like this. Just tap right on that amount to get into the cash out options. So, what you want to do, guys, now is next you're going to see a few options pop up. And one of them is actually the cash out option, okay? Select that, and it will bring up a page where you can decide how much you want to transfer to your bank. After you do that, guys, now it's time to enter the amount which you want to cash out. You can actually cash out your entire balance or just a part of it, okay? Just type in the amount you want to transfer, and once you're ready, guys, just tap on next. Now, guys, now comes an important part, okay? I'm emphasizing. So, choosing your transfer speed, okay? Cash App gives you two options here, either standard and instant. The standard option is free, but usually takes 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank. If you need that money faster, choose instant. But remember, guys, there's a small fee for this quicker transfer. The next things, guys, well, finally, what you want to be doing is you want to confirm your bank details to make sure everything is correct. And once you're certain, just tap on Cash Out to complete the transfer, and you're going to see a confirmation, and your money will be on its way to your bank, guys. And that's it, guys. Cashing out from Cash App to your bank is quick and easy. Just remember to double check your transfer speed and the bank info before you finish. If you find this guide helpful, guys, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.